Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of the ReoLink RLC-410 POE, which is Power over Ethernet, 4 megapixel Super HD, 1440p security IP camera, outdoor waterproof, night vision up to 65 to 100 feet. It's got an 80-degree viewing angle. The reason I show you all of the other stuff, I'm going to be doing videos on some of this stuff as well. I just got all of this in the mail today. It's going to be part of the project of the ReoLink, so I figured I'd show you what's going to be going into this project to give you a little heads up of videos that you can expect to come involving all of this stuff. Here we have the TP-Link AV500 Nano power adapter starter kit. It's cheaper than buying one on Amazon. It's the same exact price as if you were to buy one, you get two. Basically what you do is you plug one into your into a power outlet near your modem, and you attach an Ethernet cable from here into your router or modem. You then take a separate one and plug it into a power outlet somewhere else in your house, and you now have an Ethernet port in that room without having to run cable. So what I plan to attempt to do is use these to run cable without having to run cable to the front part of my house where the security camera is going to go, and then run the Ethernet cable up into the attic and to the camera. So that's what that's for. This is a 50-foot Ethernet cable that I got off of Amazon. I don't remember who made it, my apologies. Looks like MediaBridge made it. It's got the safety clips here, looks pretty stable, an Ethernet cable. I mean, it's not going to be moved around, it's just going to be laid and then left. So really I wasn't looking for anything inexpensive. It was very cheap. I think I paid $10 for 50 feet. So that's a pretty good deal there. And then here we have, which let me look at the name that makes this too, iCreateIn. This is a switch. They say it's an 8-port. It's actually a 7-port switch. 7 ports, 1 port for your uplink, and then they're all PoE. So it needs a power supply, which it came with, and the reason for that is I wasn't 100% sure whether or not this carried PoE over, and I'm going to need to plug in multiple cameras. Today it's just the one, but eventually over time I'm going to be installing multiple. So instead of buying a switch that was regular, I just bought a PoE switch to be safe. I'll run the link from here to here, and then from here to the camera. So that'll be solving problems that I didn't want to actually have to solve down the road if they were to come up. So those are things we're not going to be talking about anymore today. Right now we're just going to be unboxing the ReoLink RLC-410 POE 4 megapixel Super HD camera. Yes, it is a super long name. I apologize. I do want to let you know in advance, ReoLink did send me this camera to do this review for free. So I am going to give it an unbiased review, but I do want to disclose that to all of the viewers. This camera was sent to me for free for this review. I did take it out of the box just to see what it came with, so I knew what I was talking about. Not the camera itself, but the other things. That's why the box looks a little bit bulky. I didn't pack it back as nicely as they did. Looks like it comes with an instruction help little sticker here. Not a sticker, just instruction help. I guess that's what it was referring to with, I took it off of the disc. So I guess the disc is an instruction help disc. Support and manual, yep, that's what that is. Because of the starter mobile app guide to explain to you how the app works, that's pretty nice. Also comes with a welcome to ReoLink, 1-page what's in the box. It says here there's a camera, quick start guide, 1 network cable, screw, CD, which we have all those there, mounting hole template. Okay, I guess that's what this is actually. The installation help. I guess you would just place this where you're going to mount it. So let's say we're going to mount it here, and you would just drill your holes so you're not drilling with the camera. That's pretty smart. It comes with an antenna for Wi-Fi cameras only, which this is not a Wi-Fi camera, so I'm not sure if it actually has the antenna in the box or why they would tell me it does, and a power adapter, which it is POE, so I guess the power adapter is so if you don't have POE, you can still use the camera. Here are the screws. Looks like it comes with an Allen wrench as well, which does not fit the screws, so I'm not exactly sure what that's for yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Here we have the Ethernet cable that they told us it came with. Seems fairly small. I'm not exactly sure what I'll use this for, other than maybe I'll just use it to link the two devices together, since I bought the 50-foot to run to the camera. Let's see, what do we got here? Oops. Pull the bag off there. Alright, this is the power supply. See, that's why I didn't pack it right. Basic power supply. Doesn't look like it's anything other than a regular power supply. How many volts is it? 12 volt power supply, 1 amp. So not too terribly bad. Alright, now for the camera. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. It comes securely packaged. Let's see what we got here. So it is wrapped, as you can see, as well as being in the styrofoam there. If I can get it unwrapped, that would be great. Alright, so here's the camera, ReoLink. They do advertise right on the side of the camera. Let me see if I can get this focused a little bit better for you, zoom in. Alright, there we go. So here's the camera. I see now what the Allen wrench is for. I guess they have it tightened. Yeah, you can't turn it if you needed to. Okay, and it does move this way though, so you don't need it for that. Here's the front. As you can see, they do claim it to be super high definition with night vision, so that's quite a bit of IR night vision we got going on there. This looks like the sticker with the link on the QR code to add it to your phone. Not sure why you would want to leave that on there. Once you set it up, I would recommend taking it off if that's what it is. I'll have to look into that when we do the setup video, as you don't want somebody to walk up to your house and be able to have access to your cameras. So that's the downside there. It is super heavy. It really feels like it's well made and good quality material. It's aluminum. Cable here seems very weatherproof and secure. Alright, now I'll go ahead and set this here. It does have 3 ends on it. This is where the Ethernet cable would go for the POE. Even if it's not POE, you still put the Ethernet cable there. Power cable, if you weren't using POE, and then a reset button right here, I guess, to reset the camera. So those are useful. I would probably attempt to put this whole piece in the attic or wherever you're storing it so no one can get to your reset button. That would be pretty bad if they reset your camera. It would make it kind of useless. So that's everything that came in the box. It seems pretty secure, pretty heavy duty. I definitely like the casing. I'm not sure if I would recommend them add anything. It did not come with an antenna, so maybe they could just remove that from the packaging list so I don't feel like I lost anything or was not given something. That's about it. I don't know what else really to tell you about it. I'll have to go through the setup with you guys in another video. It's got pretty much everything you would want from it. The camera does look pretty solid and waterproof, like they really push on their page. Again, this is the ReoLink RLC-410 POE 4 megapixel Super HD 1440p security IP outdoor camera. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe. Thank you.